Social worker works as superhero. In this video, I want to discuss next 2 minutes talking to you why social worker considered as superhero. Social worker are not just nice people with good soul. Social worker are professional. Social worker are educated person. If you want to add social worker in front of your name, you have to go through academic discipline. Otherwise, it is totally impossible for you to add social worker in front of your name. And what they learn, and there is a part what they makes them the superhero. The two biggest things contains in social work. They learn their mission and they learn how to make sense happen. The mission of social work to promote and support the people. According to definition, we know that social work is a professional activity of helping individual, groups, communities, families enhance and restore their capacity for social functioning or creating societal conditions favorable to these goals. So social work do that because we learn how to occur and understand the invisible inner connection between people, families, communities, neighbors, laws and policies. So we learn evidence-based intervention. They can help, they can solve the problem which arises in our circumstance. That's why we can make powerful sense what is happen. And second reason, I like to think social worker works as superhero. Every day we face different types of problem, but if we want to solve the problem, we will go through the same part, and social worker try to minimize this problem and try to explore this problem and try to solve this problem. Suppose and it can be occurred early of your life, or it can be occurred at the end part of your life. Suppose you face a problem in hospital, you can take help from hospital social worker, and you face the mental problem, you can take help from the clinical social worker, and suppose your children face a problem and your children face bullying in the schools, your children can help from the school social workers. That's why only for two reasons we can say that every social worker works as superhero.